Hey guys, Stuart here, and in today's video, we're going to show you how to set up a YouTube ad. This is great if you are wanting to promote the videos on your YouTube channel, or you are wanting to run a lead generation campaign on YouTube with a video. So to get started, you just need to go into your Google advertising account, like this one here, and just click on the blue plus button for create campaign. We want to select new campaign, and this is then going to open up the different options that we have available. You can run a sales, leads, website traffic, awareness and consideration, or you can create a campaign without goal guidance. I tend to prefer creating one without a goal guidance for now. And then when selecting the campaign type, we want to have a look at video, and we want to select that option, and this is then going to allow us to choose what type of campaign subtype we want to run. Now, it's important to know that the top one here is for video views, so that's good for branding purposes. If you're wanting to get more people watching your videos, you can run reach and frequency ads, so that's going after as many people as possible. You've got the non-skippable in-stream, which is videos that you may be targeting people so they see it before a YouTube video starts. We have the driving conversions one, which is obviously trying to generate leads or getting people to book a call, whatever your goal objective is. Then, of course, we've got the audio one only, and then we've got an ad sequence one as well. In this example, it's best to just select video views for now, and we'll come back to the other ones in later videos. So video views has been selected, and let's press continue. Okay, now the first thing that we need to do is we need to give our campaign a name. Let's say more video views. And let's identify the video that we're going to use in today's campaign. And we need to select a campaign budget. You can choose between a lifetime budget with a start and end date, or you can choose a daily budget. I prefer to use daily budgets because if you are seeing good results, it's a bit easier to scale them up. We then want to look at where we want our videos to appear, whether it's just on YouTube or on video partners of the Google Display Network. Easier to just select YouTube quietly. Next, we want to go down to our target locations, and let's say we just want to target New Zealand. The language we want to target people in is English because the video will be in English. And then we want to have a look at whether or not we want multi-format ads. Look, on this one, I've had mixed results. So really, it's if you want to just see how things go without it, just uncheck it and move on to the next section, which is the ad group name. And let's just say NZ is our target market. We then can choose how we want to target people based on certain demographics. So my audience tends to be people that are working professionals and trade-based businesses who have finished their apprenticeships and either run their own business or on the verge of doing it. So that age group is between 25 and 64. It tends to be male skewed, and it also tends to be people that are not in the lower 50% of income earners. So I have just unchecked each of the blue ticks there. If you want to add them back at any time, you can always go over to a particular one and then just click on the box, and that will then create a blue tick button again. So coming down to the next section, we have the audience segments, and this allows you to narrow down the audience based on people who are, you know, interested in particular things. So, people that have got an interest, let's say, in business. And you can see here business services. And let's say the other thing that they're interested in is marketing. And there we go. In market interest, we've got two right there. Let's move on to the next one. Keywords. So if people are looking for help with marketing for tradies, I got to see our ad. You can, of course, add plenty more keywords in there. There is many different ones you can choose from, but for now, we will just move on to the next one, which is topics. So what are tradies generally interested in? Well, they're definitely interested in their vehicles because a lot of them drive utes and a lot of them are interested in different types of vehicles. So let's say classic vehicles and let's say vehicle shows as two topics where our ads will appear. And let's say placements. Can we choose a particular placement where our ads show? Of course we can. We can even show it on particular YouTube channels. Let's say there's a channel for utes. Let's see if we've got one. There's no matching results there. And let's see if we've got one for trucks. Okay, there is one on the YouTube channels for the different trucks. So trucks TV, 297 videos. Okay, so let's say we want to appear on that one. We've got the option to show it on that one because we've selected it. And if we wanted to choose another one where the truck based YouTube channel is going to show our video, so trains, tracks, and trucks, let's select that one too. So we've got two of them where the ad can appear. And now it comes down to creating the video ad. So I've already got the link saved in, and all you need to do is go over to your YouTube channel, copy the URL link, and then just paste it in. And that's going to set up the framework of your ad. Now you have the chance to choose between a skippable in-stream ad. So remember, that is a video that shows before a video on YouTube that someone is wanting to watch. Or you've got an in-feed video ad, which is a video which may appear in the search results, in the browse feed, on the homepage of YouTube, or something similar like next video playing, etc. So in this example, let's choose the more common one, which is the skippable in-stream ad. We have to provide the final URL that we want to send people to. So in this example, we will use paidadvertisinghelp.com, which is my website. And after that, we come to the next section, which is selecting the call to action button. So best one to do if you're not sure about which one is best is to find one like order now, sign up, buy now, or learn more. In this one, I'll use learn more. And then we can create a little headline, which is going to show up right underneath the ad. It's really cool. And once we've got that, we need to just set the maximum CPV bid, which is the cost per view bid you're prepared to pay. Now, my market is quite lucrative, so I'm prepared to pay up to 50 cents for a view, but I'd recommend the average one hover between 5 cents and 20 cents in most other instances. Okay, now you can see if we come all the way back up to the top where it all began, where the videos are going to appear. So we're going to just uncheck networks. For video partners on YouTube, we've got our daily budget, we've got our language, we haven't got related videos because it's not relevant to us here. We've got the targeting set up properly. We've unchecked the age groups and demographics that we don't want to target. We've got people with different interests who are searching different keywords, and the topics are there, as well as having our ads appear on some YouTube channels. And once all of that is done, we simply select Create Campaign. And just like that, once Google has approved your ad, you'll now have your YouTube videos being promoted to the world. I hope you found this video useful, everybody. If you did, don't forget once again to hit that like button. And if you are new to the channel, consider subscribing. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day, everybody.